Welcome to my comprehensive guide on how to book or rent a yacht in Italy. If you've ever dreamed of cruising through Italy's scenic coasts, then this tutorial will show you how to make it happen, step by step. We'll cover everything you need to know, from exploring yacht options to finalizing your booking, using an example website to demonstrate the entire process. Get started. Visit the main yacht booking platform. The home page is straightforward, showing available yachts and destinations, which makes browsing simple. You can filter yachts based on destination, dates, yacht size, and even specific features like onboard Wi-Fi or water sports equipment. Once you've found a yacht that fits your vision, click on it to access detailed information. Here, you'll see key details like yacht specifications, photos, amenities, and terms. Some yachts even include extras such as cruise services or meal options. Pricing is typically displayed per week, which is standard in yacht charters, so keep an eye on your budget. Now, let's discuss the booking process. After selecting a yacht, you'll be prompted to choose your desired dates and enter any preferences or requirements, like extra amenities or services. Many websites allow you to reserve your yacht instantly or send an inquiry directly to the provider, who will confirm availability and answer any questions you might have. One of the standout features of this platform is its ability to connect users directly with yacht providers. This not only speeds up the process, but also gives you more flexibility to discuss terms, modifications, or special requests. Another advantage is transparent pricing, which means no hidden fees. What you see is what you get. Of course, every service has pros and cons. An advantage here is the easy interface and wide selection of yachts across Italian coasts. However, a drawback some users mention is the limited last-minute booking availability during peak season. To avoid this, I recommend booking well in advance, especially during summer. If you're new to yacht charters, this platform also offers support to help you navigate the process and answer any questions you might have about routes, insurance, or local regulations. This is an excellent resource, especially for beginners, as it allows you to rent confidently even if it's your first time. In terms of costs, remember that prices vary based on the season, yacht size, and amenities. Keep in mind extra costs like fuel, crew fees, and potential docking fees, which can add to the overall price. Setting a budget in advance will help you choose the right yacht without unexpected expenses. If you're ready to start your yacht adventure in Italy, check the link in the description to book now. Following this guide will make sure you're prepared to enjoy a smooth and memorable experience. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel guides and yacht rental tips, and hit the like button if you found this helpful.